us anything different. Got one of the crazy DJI gimbals, so I'm hoping that it should up the quality of our vids. Here's an issue, I have to use the front camera, and I'm a back camera queen. I don't know what you think, I bought this to make our vlogs better so we can have better sessions. I woke up on the wrong side of the friggin' bed. Sometimes it happens. It happens to all of us. I just don't feel like myself. I don't know what to do. It's a Monday. We've had the busiest weekend ever. We had our engagement party, so we had all our nearest and dearest with us. House just needs a bit of a straighten up. I sent these papers, the post, and I got these papers from BB's Premium Rolling Papers, so I'm excited to try my colour in them yet. Oh shit! Oh shit! I panic, it's just a game. And then there's like a tree of life on the back. Yes, these are my papers. If you take the papers out, it says something T2. Let's put that away for now. I think the house needs a bit of loving, a bit of TLC. Let's try tidy up some bits. They're looking a little better. A little rip on the thermal twist. We're gonna need some flour. The stuff is just enough in there. A sleeping sea bass. Do I look good? I just found my favourite bowls looking like this. I'm gonna go put this in the banger basket. That little guy. You can go in there, and you are definitely gonna go in this side. Just gonna leave them there for a while and let them cook. Subway! He's Subway! She's got stuff to tell us. She just straight up brings me more joy than anything in this world. I gotta clean this room. The office. You see all the clothes on the floor? Happens when someone doesn't know what to wear. Hey, all the boring chores are done. What can we do now? I think I need to roll. I'm feeling terrible. I feel really sad, really anxious. I need a big grinder. Jelly dough, how much is in here? This feels quite packed. Just put in my nugs in my grinder. A bit of this. I feel like not using a glass tip, if I'm honest. I'm full glass tip now. The only way now. As this tip is the smallest one I have right now. I don't know what size it is, but it ain't big. Oh, there's no paper in there. Taz's tip, and then I'm gonna take, oh my god, every bit of flour that's there and get it in there. Doobie, I'm gonna go smoke this maybe on my porch. I'm worried about this tip slipping. Run the lighter under the tip, let the tip get hot. I promise you, that ain't gonna move now. I have this in my own peace and quiet out in the sun. Just come back in from that and Siebes has a lot to say. You crazy kid. Do I have this record here? Don't worry about it getting damaged, it's just for jokes. It's a song called like Jambalaya on the Bayou. I love it. I absolutely love it. So if I just want to listen to it anytime I can. Thought we'd give the volcano a go. What'd you say? It's been a while. It took me so long to find the bags. This doesn't fix me. I don't know what will. Oh yeah, I'll have that. A bit of that for me, please. I feel a little more optimistic. Hoping Bandy maybe comes home soon for a little bit. Talk to him.
Mally Bob Ali.
This homicide, this man on the DVD.
Indeed. Yeah, that's quite likely.
Is that homicide with the... Yeah, homicide versus CM Punk.
Acknowledge Clayton.
Thanks, babe.
Paul Heyman created the choke slam.
Paul Heyman created the choke slam.
Yeah, and obviously he didn't do it, but 911 was his bodyguard at the time.
Yeah.
So he gave it to him.
I'm actually sewing up some Jack Bandicoot gear right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Oh my feet.
And it melts off there into there, good as new.
been a couple of days. We ended up just chilling out. It is Wednesday, I think. Thought we could end this vlog off with some unboxings of the day. I had to do one unboxing that I said I'd film the reel of. This was everything that came in it. It even had one of these. If I'm not mistaken, you put the zoo there, right? And then you like blow it into people's faces. The goodies. We got a mimosa, crunch, which is a Skittles Extra Gelato 41. And look at this, in this packaging, badder. Look at the packaging, I absolutely love that. Well, that wasn't just it, they had a card that you can scratch off and see if you win more. Papers, croc giblets. We'll be putting on our Wu-Tang Crocs. Raw blacks. Elements with the tips, my fave. Frozen sift hash, Moroccan cold sift hash as well. Some Eddies. And this insane pre-roll, which is a bluesy with diamonds with rainbow runt extract. It's covered in keef and stuff, so this is for a special occasion. Appears to be a free 5. The plant plug, Sheffield plant plug. Was that blue? Finally, we have this absolutely massive box. So long. So if you remember at the party, we got to try the Tepsalicious Pinata. Another strain with this farm called Security Risk. I've got both of them here to try. These are the pinatas. Tepsalicious just kills it with his packaging. I love glass jars. Pinata. Got the Security Risk right here. Oh, I love it. This animal cross runs. Everyone that sent to me right now, thank you so much. I'm excited to get through all these bits. Wrap this vlog up so we can get started on some more content. Thank you so much for watching. Already at 650 subscribers. Ah!